Welcome to our tutorial on optimizing your product page with cross-sells and upsells. In this video, we will explore how to strategically use our app to enhance your customers' shopping experience. Now, back to our Assign tab, you will also notice the option to assign upsells to your product pages. But what's the difference between cross-selling and upselling? With cross-selling, we typically recommend displaying items that pair well together with the main product. On the other hand, upselling employs a different strategy. Here, the goal is to offer a similar item to what's being shown, but with a higher value. It's about enticing customers to consider an upgraded or premium version, enhancing their shopping experience while boosting your sales. Assigning upsells follows a similar process to assigning cross-sells. You have 3 different upsell types to choose from: handpicked, global, or a mix of both. And here's a helpful tip: if you want to display any upsells regardless of the price, you can easily select that option in the display settings. Ready to cross-sell? Start assigning products to your product pages and witness the impact on your sales. Watch our other tutorials for more tips.